Introducing InstaDeck Outdoor Flooring System from Barrette Outdoor Living, featuring step clip technology. Build a deck using no tools in a fraction of the time and for nearly half the cost as a traditional deck installation. Barrette Outdoor Living's patented step clip technology automatically spaces boards and installs with just a snap. All you'll need is the InstaDeck system and the Barrette Outdoor Living deck boards of your choice. Just lay out your InstaDeck in your desired space, place deck boards, and step to lock into place. No tools, no fuss. Best of all, InstaDeck easily installs on multiple surfaces that need to be level, like grass, concrete, existing patio surfaces, wood, gravel, and balconies. Complete your transformation in just a few hours and create the deck you've always dreamed of. Transform any space in an instant with InstaDeck by Barrette Outdoor Living.